Today, I'm going to show you how sketchflow can completely change the way you design websites and apps. If you've ever felt frustrated with endless edits, confusing tools, or having to design every page one by one, this video is for you. With sketchflow, you can start from a simple idea and turn it into a complete, multi-page interactive prototype in minutes. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional designer or know how to code. So, let's dive in step by step and see exactly how it works. First, open your browser and search for sketchflow.ai. Then you'll see the main interface of sketchflow. Before getting started, we need to create an account. For that, I'll click on Get Started, then select Continue with Google and simply choose your email. After that, I'll be successfully logged into sketchflow. Once you're logged in, you'll see three options to begin your project. Blueprint mode. This is perfect if you're starting from scratch. Imagine you want to design an online store or a mobile learning app. All you do is type a description, like, I want to create a mobile app for online courses with sign-up, course browsing, and payment features. Once you click Generate, sketchflow instantly creates a workflow map of your app, showing each screen and how users will move through them. From here, you can add new pages, delete ones you don't need, rearrange the flow by simply editing the connections between pages, or change the content of the nodes. It's like sketching your idea, but the AI does the heavy lifting. Now, if you've created a flowchart, the real magic begins with editing. Sketchflow gives you two main ways to refine your design. Now, I'll select the notes. Keep in mind, these notes will be converted into pages once the website is built. I'll choose some of these notes and click on Generate Interface. After that, an interface will appear where I'll need to select a style and then click on Generate Interface again. At this stage, the tool will also show me how many credits will be used to generate it. As soon as I click, my website will start generating. It will be converted into a complete website, and then we'll be able to customize it according to our needs. For example, Precision Editor. Sometimes you want exact control, like a professional designer. This editor lets you use the layer panel to see every element on your page. Click one, and you can move it, hide it, or swap it with a new image. Fine-tune text styles, font, size, weight, alignment, customize appearance, colors, opacity. In short, the AI helps you move quickly, but the Precision Editor gives you pixel-perfect control whenever you need it. Once your pages are ready, you don't just see static screens. With sketchflow, you can switch into interactive preview mode. Here, you can click through your project just like a real app or website. For example, click Sign Up. It takes you to the registration screen. This helps you test your user journey before any code is written. If something doesn't feel smooth, you can go back to the workflow and fix it immediately. When you're happy with the prototype, sketchflow makes it easy to share or continue development. You can export the project as HTML code or a sketch file to integrate with tools like Figma. You can share a link with teammates or clients. This makes collaboration fast and eliminates the back and forth of sending screenshots or long explanations. Snapshot mode. Maybe you've seen an app or website you really like. With Snapshot, you can upload screenshots of those designs. Sketchflow will study them and build a similar project with your own content and logic. This way, you take inspiration and quickly turn it into your own version. Template library. If you don't want to start from zero, you can pick a ready-made template from sketchflow's library. For example, a blog layout or an e-commerce design. Then you can customize it however you want. No matter which option you choose, you always end up with a clear workflow map and ready to edit screens. Before we wrap up, if you want to work on unlimited projects with advanced features, the Sketchflow Plus plan is the best choice, and it's the one we recommend. Let's quickly highlight what makes Sketchflow stand out. Instead of generating one page at a time, it creates a full multi-page project all at once. It starts with a workflow map, so your design has logical user journeys, not just pretty screens. And you get the best of both worlds. AI speed plus manual precision. From idea to polished prototype, Sketchflow helps you design faster, smarter, and more beautifully. So whether you're a designer, product manager, or founder, try Sketchflow today and start building the future of digital product design. If you're interested in exploring a different website builder and its features, simply head over to this video.